Dr. Byron Bucky Phillips, your tennis pro. Have you ever wondered the answer to the question, who takes the ball down the middle and doubles? We want you to comment on this video. Give us some feedback on which one you think it is. I'm going to propose 3 different ways that it's resolved. Number 1, the oldest adage is that it's the forehand in the middle. So if the ball were right here, Felipe would hit the ball. A slightly more modern approach is the better shot in the middle. Let's say Ching has a world-class backhand and Felipe's isn't quite that good. If that were the case, she would hit the ball in the middle. The third is the person closer to the ball. So let's say there's a floater in front of Felipe, but Ching cuts it off for a volley winner and he switches. Click the link at the bottom, make comments on the video, weigh in on which of those 3 you believe. Call me for a lesson. Practice.